everybody. Welcome to Nights. Food smells lovely, and because we're out of towners, we didn't know how many people we were going to pull in tonight. So it's lovely to see so many happy faces out there. So it's really good. We're really happy that you're here with us tonight, and I hope that you have a great night also. I'm just going to adjust my mic because we measured it up when I didn't have heels on, so now it's a bit so going to get that right. And thank you very much to the band for that one. I just fill in on that one. They're the stars of that one. So our next one is going to be Sugar, I believe. That's our real jazz cat.